It's been over 2 years since Sony introduced the A7 IV, the fourth generation of their popular A7 camera series. Now, with the upcoming A7 V, the fifth generation, there's growing anticipation about what to expect from this model. Positioned as Sony's mid-range full-frame camera, the A7 V is expected to continue delivering impressive video and photography features while maintaining a compact design. In this video, we'll dive into all the available information and our expectations for the Sony A7 V to understand how it will impact the mid-flagship camera market. In terms of autofocus, Sony has significantly improved speed and precision in the A7 III and A7 IV. The A7 V is likely to see further enhancements in real-time tracking autofocus and overall computational power, making it excel in consistently tracking subjects, even during rapid 30 FPS bursts when using the electronic shutter. Let's talk about the sensor. The current A7 IV features a 33-megapixel sensor paired with the latest Bion's XR processor, following Sony's usual practice of improving these components with each new iteration. We can expect a moderate increase in megapixels, possibly reaching 40 megapixels with a backside illuminated sensor. Additionally, we anticipate a generational advancement in the Bion's processor, leading to noticeable improvements in dynamic range, low light performance, and processing speed. The camera's display is set to offer a better viewing experience, both through the viewfinder and when reviewing pictures on the LCD screen. It may also have a faster refresh rate, which will enhance both capturing and viewing images. Additionally, a larger grip and improved dust protection around the lens mount are expected, making the camera more comfortable to hold. Sony has been keen on enhancing video quality, and the A7 IV already offers oversampled 4K at 30 frames per second and 120 frames per second in 10-bit for 2222. The upcoming A7 V is expected to take video quality to the next level, offering exceptionally sharp 4K videos thanks to its utilization of a 6K resolution. It also provides additional video storage options, including a feature called All-I, simplifying the editing process. There's even a possibility that the camera can record videos at 240 frames per second, perfect for creative video production. Furthermore, the camera will feature two memory card slots, likely with faster performance, and may be compatible with CF Express type of memory cards. Therefore, the A7 V is expected to be priced between the $1,999 A7 IV and the $3,499 A7R IV, likely with an initial MSRP of $2,500, which aligns with the anticipated feature improvements while allowing room for a higher megapixel A7R V in the future. Discounts after the launch may bring the A7 V down to around $1,000 to $100. We estimate that the release of the A7 V is about 1.5 years away, as Sony typically follows a model upgrade cycle of 3 to 3.5 years. This gives them plenty of time to innovate and make it the best mid-budget camera in the market. What are your thoughts? Share them in the comments below. And consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching.